$13,000 for this non-running Stewart & Stevenson military truck, and today we're going to try to get this thing running again and drive it all the way home. As you can tell, this thing has been sitting here non-running for a very long time. It is now a storage unit, and it also came with a trailer. We do have one pretty big problem. The doors are locked. So yeah, I handed this guy $13,000 and I haven't even seen the interior yet. This thing smells like an abandoned house. But check this thing out. We got lights, we got outlets. I'm sure the batteries are probably dead. Now this one's got a pretty good dent in it, so I'm not sure how difficult that one's gonna be to work open. But if we look over here on the passenger side, this one's actually cracked open a little bit. So I'm gonna try to put my little air pump up there, and maybe I can reach down in here and grab the door handle and pull it up. Oh, heck yeah, first try. Oh, this thing smells like an old RV. We got some ripped up seat covers. I'm not even trying to rip it, and it's just falling apart. Ain't no way we got new seat covers in here. Look at those. There's where you'd hook up a radio, some kind of shelf. There's your gun holder. I gotta say, the middle seat is actually pretty roomy. I can't tell if that's a crack or a scratch on the windshield right there. We've also got a box, and this right here is the captain's seat. 553.7. You have got to be kidding me. 553 miles. This is the lowest mileage vehicle I have ever bought. We're actually sitting on top of the engine right now. So this is a cab over. Now normally you would start the truck up, build up air pressure, shut it off. Yeah, so cab tilt. We got spare tire, suspension, cab tilt again. So this is the system selector here. So you've got truck suspension, cab tilt. You've also got spare tire. There's supposed to be a spare tire here, and you're able to lower it down from these controls. So it's already on cab tilt. We also want it to be on raise. So because we do not have air in this truck, I'm going to be tilting the cab using the manual cylinder. There's a cab lock right there, and it just started spewing hydraulic oil out of it. Things are already not going our way. Yeah, so this pin slides in, and it's preventing this latch from opening up. And I believe it's supposed to come out, but it is not coming out. And I wonder if we can't undo this hydraulic hose, cap it off, and then just undo that bolt right there. I only see an in hydraulic hose. I don't see an out anywhere. I wonder if I can't just manually pull this out with something. So if we've lost hydraulic pressure in the cylinder, I should be able to pull this little pin out. All right, no big deal. We'll just have to pull this nut off of this bolt. Well, it's spinning. The whole bolt is spinning when I try to spin that nut, and there is absolutely no way to get a wrench into the other side of that bolt. This cap looks to be what holds this cylinder together, so I'm betting you I can unscrew this cap. So let's thread this plug in here. And if you didn't know, all this is doing is cutting off hydraulic flow to this dead cylinder. Well, there you go. The locking pin is out. I'm glad that worked.